Got a northbounder at Cooke Road, Norfolk Southern. Blow the horn, give us a Tuesday action. Yeah. Whoa, cool. Oh look, I think that's pink Conrail, the good one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. Yeah, he's going slow. 33, 34, 35, 36. Yeah, that's probably new. 36, 37, 38. 40, 39, 40. 41. 42, 43, 44. What are the planes, Dad? Thank you, me stop. Hey, Dad, what are the planes? Huh? Norfolk and Western. Oh, I think he's moving now. Whoa. Think he's kind of stopping now. I think it's just a steam that he's doing.
Maybe it's because he doesn't have
I think he's hauling.
trying to get lined up.
See, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. $50, $51, $52. 53, 54, 55.
Could be.
$56, $57, $58, $59, $60, $61, $62. Yeah, right, Turner. Good job. Hey, Dad, look! Norfolk Southern boxcars. Take a look at that. Oh my. think 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71. Oh yeah, he's picking up speed. Let me give you some railroad history about these old cars. They're around since I think the 19s. They're stubborn. I think I forgot my counting, but look at all that. Let me figure out what I left out at. I think 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93. Yeah, Norfolk and Western, I think it was with Penn Central before it got bankrupt. I think I forgot now because of that grain hopper, but let me give you some railroad history about Philmex. Philmex was a Mexican railroad. You may not, in Columbus, Ohio, you may not see some of these if you live in Columbus, Ohio, but maybe running around in Texas, Houston, Texas, Mexico, California. Well, I think in Mexico, okay? But here comes the last car. I repeat, last car. Oh. Whoa, look at that. Look at that. And so long, everybody. Goodbye, and that's all for now.